Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we're back to unboxing Disney stuff. So this one came in a giant cardboard box, plain brown, but I'm not going to bring it on camera that way because it's actually the Bibbidi-Bobbidi Ultimate Magic box, and it came with a giant Jim Shore next to its box. So we're going to bring them out together. And there they are. Look at the size of this thing. This is ridiculous. So I would imagine there's not going to be a whole ton in here because this thing is seriously huge. It's bigger than my head. So let's begin with this. And that's all coming up right now. Alright, so let's see what's inside here. So this is, like I said, Ultimate Magic Box, $119 plus shipping. Let's see what we got going on. Alright, so this is August's box. I'm running way behind. Today is, as I'm filming this is September 8th. But I don't know when you're going to see this because I've got a lot of other videos that have already been shot and we still need to edit, so we'll see how this one fits into the plan. Alright, first things first is a card. Happiness is a state of mind. It's just according to the way you look at things, Walt Disney. I'll throw this up in the photo box. Boop! I know I've seen this one before, so I think I got this same one with our last box. Which, you know, no biggie. And then we have the spoiler sheet. So the spoiler sheet, you always wait till the end because otherwise it ruins everything that's in the box. But this tells you what the value of the box is so you can see if you think that it's worth it. Alright, in here, got some lavender tissue paper and a Bibbidi sticker. Let's tear into it. I got it. Oh, those pins are cool. Alright, got a little confetti in here. Oh, I've seen these. I believe that, yeah, they're making these. Oh, that's actually cool. It's iridescent. So they're making these kind of room keys, like old school hotel room keys. And Bibbidi makes them themselves. I don't know what they will assign as a value to that. But we'll find out at the end. But let's take a better look at this. Alright, so they have two different options for clips. They've got the easy quick clip, which is nice. They've got a regular keychain on it, so you can put your keys on there and then clip this on, you know, whatever you want to. And it's iridescent, it's transparent. It says Bibbidi Master Gracie Suite $9.99 for the 999 Happy Haunts. And then it says on the bottom, drop in any Doom Buggy. Keys used to say drop in any mailbox, and it would just automatically go back to the hotel. I like the design. Very cool. Alright. So we've got that. We've got a pin. A couple of pins. Alright, so these are some really cool pins. I am a huge fan of all old school stuff, especially Steamboat Willie, and this is, well, let me put a better picture in for you. Boop! Peg Leg Pete and Weasel. This is $15.99, which for two pins that are that quality, that's really cool. I'm really happy to... They're gone. I'm really happy to have these. They're slippery. Awesome. Alright, and then one more thing here in the box, and then we've got the Jim Shore that is as big as a boat anchor. Lillian and Company. Let's see here. So he's got the fancy dancy little bag it goes in. And this one says, "You're smarter than you think." I'll put a better picture in the photo box. I don't know if this is going to show up very good or not, but check it out. Boop. These are always, Mary's always happy to get these, and you can squeeze them to make them a little tighter. They're, you know, they're pretty tough bracelets, and it's silver, so she will love that. Very nice. All right. Time for the biggest Jim Shore box I've ever seen. This thing's huge, and it's heavy too. All right, you ready? Look at this thing. It's huge. It's the Fab Five. You got Goofy, Pluto, Mickey, Minnie, Donald. Their little wiry tails. This thing was packed with foam in between each of the characters. I'll talk in a minute when I'm ready. In between each of the characters because they are all freestanding. So they're all just their feet, and then they're individually standing up. So they packed it full of foam and wrapped tape around them tightly to keep them from, you know, if one gets bumped, it puts pressure on all of them so that nobody got broke off. And it made the trip. I mean, Pluto's ears. This thing is just amazing. It's huge. The only Jim Shore I have bigger than this is this huge Pirates of the Caribbean one that I got myself in Disneyland. Let me put this in the photo box so you can really get how cool this thing is. Boop. Just, oh, that is amazing. This is my second favorite Jim Shore that I've ever gotten. Only because I really like the Pirates one. Holy cow. Okay. Well, that's a heck of a way to finish a box. So, $119.99 plus shipping. Man, I love that thing. Can you guys... You want to hang out? Good. Alright. Made me kind of dark in the picture, but, you know. Yeah. Okay. Alright, spoiler sheet. So, we are looking at keychain. The Bibbidi-Bobbidi Key Chain is $14.99. That I don't wholeheartedly agree with. Something that they make themselves. While it is very cool, it's not made by Disney. $15 for a keychain is a bit much, I think, of an ask. I'm not super mad about it or anything. I just think that's a bit over the top. Jewelry. The Jillian & Co. bangle is $32. The pins are $15.99. And this bad boy is $100. So, total retail values, $162.98. So usually their value is not that high. Usually it's like $125, $130. So this is like $30 higher than it usually is. So I'll accept that. That makes up for it, because if they are going to put that much more value in, I'm cool with that. That is a ton of value. That's, you know, a lot more money than I paid. So I'm no longer upset. Awesome. I'll put a better picture. I didn't even put this up there for you. Boop. So you can see it. Wow. I mean, that's to get a Lillian and Company and a $100 Jim Shore in a $119 box. That's pretty amazing. All right, that's it for today. If you'd like to take a look at our last video, click the button right here. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.